Now, this is a question that applies primarily to Indian families, and that is dowry. In the West, there's very less emphasis on dowry anymore. It used to be part of Western culture also, but it's pretty well faded out. Dowry, however, is still a huge issue in India, unfortunately. And so, if a young woman, if their family doesn't want to pay dowry, but the husband family is expecting dowry, or vice versa, somehow somebody's expecting dowry, what if the parent can't afford it? That's something that the parents have to negotiate. You can play some role in it, but if your parents are the ones that can't afford dowry, then you jolly well better see to it that you support them in communication with the family, proposed family of your spouse over the dowry issue. Technically, it's not supposed to be such a decisive issue in modern times as far as Indian law is concerned, but it is made by social convention. It is a huge issue still, unfortunately. So somebody is going to get married, they should work together with their parents, and they can be proactive with the parents of the bride also, if it's an issue. First of all, they should give a chance to their own parents to negotiate it, but if they can help negotiate it, then they can do that also, although that's generally outside of Vedic culture, but these are modern times. We're talking about a modern problem in modern times. So some flexibility may be required, but it's really not right. Forced dowry is not right at all.